Hi, this is for the OPPO Reno 10 Pro, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So open first Control Panel, and if you want to add here some options or remove some of them or just to change the positions of the icons, you should click here to these three dots and tap to Edit Titles. Here you will see all of the available options which you could add to your panel just by click on each of these green pluses. To remove some of them, we should by the same way click to the right minuses. And just to change the positions of the icons here, we should just hold the icon and drag it by this way. To reset the changes, click to the right upper corner to these three dots and tap to reset, or to save the changes, just click to go back, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.